So I'm going to show how to use Audacity to do a two-track project. Actually, we can do more than that if we want. Well, here we go. Okay, track 1 is complete. So let's create another track. And that is how you do two tracks with Audacity. And we're going to give it a listen. So now let's give this a listen by going back to the beginning. And go ahead and we'll play it and see how it goes together. And I'm actually going to mix this a bit to the left and move this to the right. And I'm going to move it up a little bit. Not bad. there's my one mistake. Oh well. And now that, now that that's how it sounds, the way that you would actually export it is going to be where you hit File, Export, and export it as an MP3. So I'm going to save it as a desktop, and I'm going to name it, Untitled is fine. So let's give it there it goes. And they ask you to do the metadata if you really want to do that. I'm not going to do that for today. And sure enough, we have exported it to the desktop. And if we want to listen to it, I'm actually going to hit open with, and we'll hit it with VLC Media Player, see how it goes. And it's playing just what you heard on the previous one, so we should be good to go.